What are the top foods for healing nerve damage? Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, can be a painful and debilitating condition that affects the way your nerves communicate with the rest of your body. While medical treatments are often necessary, the food you eat can play a significant role in supporting nerve health and potentially speeding up the healing process. Let's explore some of the top foods that can help heal nerve damage and improve your overall well-being. Top foods that can help heal nerve damage. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a major contributor to nerve damage, and omega-3s can help reduce it. These healthy fats also support the repair of damaged nerve cells and improve overall nerve function. Adding fatty fish to your diet a few times a week can provide your body with the essential nutrients needed for nerve health. 2. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are a source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for nerve repair. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which protect nerves from further damage caused by oxidative stress. They also contain magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in nerve function and can help alleviate symptoms of neuropathy. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are excellent sources of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage, while omega-3s reduce inflammation. Additionally, nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats and fiber, which support overall health and provide long-lasting energy. 4. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries have antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, a key factor in nerve damage. Berries also contain vitamin C, which supports the production of collagen, a protein that is crucial for the repair of damaged tissues, including nerves. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation and support the regeneration of nerve cells. Including turmeric into your diet, whether through cooking or as a supplement, can help promote nerve healing and reduce pain associated with neuropathy. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support the health of the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves that helps them function properly. Avocados also contain potassium and magnesium, both of which are essential for nerve function and can help reduce the symptoms of nerve damage. 7. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve health. Vitamin B12 helps maintain the myelin sheath and supports the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that nerves use to communicate. A deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage, so including eggs in your diet can help prevent further deterioration and support nerve repair. 8. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa are high in fiber, B vitamins, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy nerves and improving blood flow, which is critical for nerve repair. Whole grains also provide a steady source of energy, which can help combat the fatigue often associated with nerve damage. 9. Garlic. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help protect nerves from damage caused by infections and inflammation. It also supports healthy blood circulation, ensuring that nerves receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to heal. Including garlic in your diet can contribute to overall nerve health and may help alleviate symptoms of neuropathy. 10. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for repairing connective tissues, including the nerves. Drinking bone broth can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to support nerve regeneration and reduce inflammation. Including these nutrient-rich foods in your diet can provide significant support for healing nerve damage. While food alone may not completely cure neuropathy, it can play a vital role in reducing symptoms, preventing further damage, and promoting overall nerve health. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in these healing foods, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to recover and thrive. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe for more health advice and tips.